What's good, YouTube? In this video, we're gonna be doing something a little different. Usually all of my tutorials are based on people who might know nothing about the software, but this one is not that one. So if you need to know a very detailed explanation on how to do this, you're gonna have to hit the link in the description. This is gonna be straight to the point, trying something new. Let's get it. Gonna get your green screen looking like mine. No goofiness. You see my hand moving, no weird looking stuff, no outline of green around my hair. I'm crisp, my boy. Or my girl, or whoever, you know what I'm saying? So off rip, you already know you got to hit the Alt key because you're going to have to crop in. You don't want to show the wall over there, so crop in some. You're going to have to do it on each side, crop in some. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go into the G-Hub application. We're going to open that bad boy up. Never mess with zoom unless you need a zoom. Focus, don't mess with that. Exposure, I don't use auto exposure. I don't want to do nothing weird when I bring my hand up to the camera. See, it's not messing up, loading in or pulsing, none of that weird stuff. So I leave mine off and I just move it to where I like it. You can choose which one you like best. Go up too high, don't do that. So I'm going to go back to around where I had it. Leave it right there. Go over to video. We're going to go to brightness. Mess with this as you will. Put mine back on 31. Put it on what looks best for you. Next, we're going to go to contrast. I don't touch that. It's personal preference. Sharpness, I don't touch that. It's personal preference. It's going to look like trash if you go all the way up to 100%. So I don't do none of that. Poop if you go too low. So we're going to go ahead and go back to 50%. White balance, I like to leave it on auto. That's just how I roll. That's how I do it. Saturation, 55 looks best for me and my complexion. Play around with this for you and yours. Anti-flicker, I'm in the USA, so we're going to put 60. If you're somewhere else, maybe you need 50. Come to our web camera or a DSLR, whatever the heck the case may be. Right click on it. We're going to go to filters. Once we're in filters, we're going to add a chroma key. Play around with nothing but the similarity. As you can see, the similarity, already we have a little bit of green around my hair at the top. So it's not looking too cool, but that's all good. You just want to get it as best as you can get it like this. And then we're going to go into the next step, and that's going to give it that real chef's kiss. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to add a color source. We're going to just go ahead and add a color source. And right here, you see it's green as can be. And I already chroma keyed that camera, so it's going to show this nice, beautiful green behind me. So all I got to do is, whenever you're looking at the properties, you can just match this right here. So we're going to go to select color. You just want to match 00 FF00, and then you're going to get this perfect green, and then you're going to hit OK. Keep in mind, you need to have this all in a scene by itself. Just create one, call it camera, and put all of these things in its own scene. Next thing you're going to want to do, this is going to get you right. This is the secret sauce, the little extra something that's going to do everything you needed to do. You're going to come over to the actual scene that these things are in. You're going to go to filters, and you already guessed it, we're going to add another chroma key. And what do you know? We're looking crispy. We're looking nice. No green around. Because that green is the most easiest green for OBS to cut the heck out. For some reason, you saw the green behind me earlier did not look as green as this green. So it's just much easier for it to get this green out, murk it, over with, done. You crispy, you looking nice. Once you get this scene all looking nice, looking right, then all you got to do is just drop this scene into your scenes, and then you can switch over to one of the other ones and you're looking crispy every single time you drop it in. If this video helped you out, please slam the like button. It's greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.